Welcome to AI Foundation Learning. In today's video, we're exploring the latest innovation in artificial intelligence. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a beginner, or a professional, this video is packed with information for you. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is GraphRAG? GraphRAG stands for Graph Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It's a cutting-edge AI framework that combines graph-based structures with retrieval-augmented generation techniques to enhance the performance of language models. GraphRAG leverages the power of knowledge graphs to provide context and relevant information to language models during generation tasks. This results in more accurate, coherent, and contextually aware outputs. Now, you might be wondering, why use graphs in retrieval-augmented generation? Let's explore the reasons. First, graphs provide a structured knowledge representation. Unlike flat data structures, graphs can represent complex relationships between different entities. This makes it easier to capture and utilize intricate connections within the data. Second, graphs offer enhanced context and relationships. By using nodes and edges, a knowledge graph can store rich contextual information and relationships between entities. This is crucial for generating meaningful and contextually accurate responses. Finally, graphs enable scalable and efficient retrieval. They can efficiently handle large data sets and quickly retrieve relevant subgraphs. This scalability is essential for real-time applications where quick and accurate information retrieval is required. In essence, integrating graphs into RAG allows us to leverage structured and interconnected data, providing a robust foundation for generating high-quality, context-aware outputs. Let's break down how GraphRAG works. It integrates two main components, a knowledge graph and a retrieval-augmented generation model. The knowledge graph provides structured information, where nodes represent entities and edges represent relationships. When a query is made, GraphRAG retrieves relevant subgraphs from the knowledge graph. These subgraphs contain contextually rich information that enhances the language model's generation capabilities. The language model then uses this retrieved information to generate responses that are not only contextually relevant, but also factually accurate, making the outputs more reliable and informative. GraphRAG is being applied in several trending areas. Let's look at a few examples. In healthcare, GraphRAG can assist in medical diagnosis by retrieving relevant medical knowledge and providing detailed, accurate information to doctors and patients. For instance, it can generate patient-specific treatment plans by considering various medical conditions and histories. In finance, GraphRAG enhances risk assessment and fraud detection. By analyzing vast amounts of transactional data and identifying complex patterns, it helps financial institutions detect anomalies and prevent fraudulent activities efficiently. Customer service also benefits from GraphRAG through intelligent assistants. These AI-powered assistants can provide accurate and contextually relevant responses to customer inquiries by leveraging comprehensive knowledge graphs, thus improving customer satisfaction and support efficiency. In the field of education, GraphRAG is used to create personalized learning experiences. By understanding the unique needs and progress of each student, it can generate tailored educational content and recommendations, making learning more effective and engaging. GraphRAG also revolutionizes the legal domain by automating document analysis and case law research. It can quickly sift through vast legal databases to find relevant precedents and documents, saving time and providing lawyers with critical insights. Finally, in smart city initiatives, GraphRAG helps optimize infrastructure by analyzing data from various urban systems. It can suggest improvements and predict maintenance needs, contributing to more efficient and sustainable city management. These examples illustrate just a few ways GraphRAG is transforming various industries. Its ability to leverage structured knowledge and provide contextually accurate information makes it a powerful tool for enhancing decision-making and generating innovative solutions. As we look to the future, the potential for GraphRAG is immense. With ongoing advancements in AI and machine learning, GraphRAG will continue to evolve, becoming more sophisticated and powerful. One exciting prospect is advanced personalization. Imagine personalized education systems where GraphRAG provides students with tailored learning experiences, or personalized healthcare where treatment plans are continually refined based on the latest medical research and patient data. Moreover, GraphRAG can expand into new domains and applications, from enhancing smart city infrastructures to optimizing supply chains. Its ability to integrate with emerging technologies like IoT and blockchain will further amplify its impact. In conclusion, GraphRAG represents a significant step forward in the field of AI, offering powerful tools for improving information retrieval and generation. As it continues to develop, we can expect even more innovative applications that will transform various industries. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in artificial intelligence, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AI Foundation Learning. Leave your comments and questions below, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.